Hey, so we are looking at synthetic division here, and the first thing I want to show you is that sometimes the problem looks different. Like number one and number two, number three, these all look different, but essentially at the end of the day, you're still just going to use synthetic division. So here's how you use it. You set up a little box right here, the coefficients 2, 7, -6, and -8. Those go at the top of your box. So you write those there. We got 2, 7, -6, and -8. Make sure you keep the right sign. Whatever you're dividing by, the opposite of this number goes out here. So -4, you're going to see if -4 factors into this. So I bring down 2, I always bring down your first term, and then you start this kind of multiply, adding pattern. So you start by multiplying these two numbers to get you right here. So -4 times 2 gives me -8. I then add down. I put a little plus sign here to remind me that I'm adding down. So that ends up being -1 when I add 7 and -8. Then I do -4 multiplied by this -1 to give me my next number. That'll be +4. I add down again, so this would be -2. Then we'll say -4 times -2 gives me +8. So flip back, be +8. So when I add those right there, -8 plus 8 is just 0. So we got a remainder of 0. Now, how I write this out, you look at your largest term here. It was cubed, so now my new largest term is 1 less, is x squared. This one was squared, so it becomes just x. This one was 1x, so it becomes no x's. And then your last number, if you have a remainder, you'd write that as +0 over x plus 4. Since the remainder is 0, you don't have to include this. Sometimes they'll ask you to include it. But that would be my answer. Again, that last part I really don't have to include, but that would be it in a nutshell.